The Center for African Liberation and Socio-Economic Rights, CALSER, has rubbished reports of extrajudicial killing of 6 Igbo personnel in the Nigerian Army, leveled against immediate past Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Buratai. The center said the allegation of ethnic cleansing in the army was not only false but an agenda by the Eastern Nigerian Right and Intelligentsia coalition to cast aspersion on the personality of Buratai while sparking on ethnic and religious conflict in the country. CALSER made this revelation in a detailed investigative report signed by its president, Prince Ajibola, and released on Friday. The center noted that from its finding, there is no any record in the Nigerian Army that indicates such incidents. The report also established that the process of promotion and dismissal in the Army is not the prerogative of the Chief of Army Staff.
The Center for African Liberation and Socioeconomic Rights, as a critical stakeholder in the entrenchment of the rule of law and respect for human rights and democratic governance, indeed examined the allegations at stake, interacted with a cross-section of Nigerians to have an objective assessment that will aid the investigative report. It also relied on first-hand information from competent and credible sources. After that, information gathered was subjected to scrutiny to present a report that is devoid of ethnic and religious sentiments, sympathy, and mischief. Our findings reveal that the allegations of the killings were inaccurate, as there was no record in the Nigerian Army that indicated such incident. It was observed that the emphasis on ethnicity and religion from our findings was orchestrated to cause disquiet in the polity. It was also observed that Eastern Nigeria's Rights and Intelligentsia coalition does not have any known address in Nigeria or anywhere else in the world for that matter. The group has not been involved in any activity that has come to the public regarding promoting human rights, whether of the Igbos or any other ethnicity in Nigeria. From further scrutiny, the only activity ascribed to the group is a press statement that was issued and was not reported by credible news mediums in Nigeria for lacking evidence to substantiate the allegations.
CALSER, however, urged the Nigerian Army to begin the gathering process toward identifying individuals and groups that are how to undermine its integrity as an institution. It also recommended that the Army authorities seek legal redress against the Eastern Nigerian Right and Intelligentsia coalition to serve as a deterrent to other individuals and groups attempting such mission.